All right, back to how's key replacement work?
Well, as long as it comes with
Two keys.
with two keys,
Okay.
you get up to two key replacements a year.
Okay, and how much money might that save a customer?
Anywhere from $300 to $700, about 300 to 700.
Yeah, I just replaced a Honda Pilot key for $375. Okay, I actually went back into the service department to watch them program it. It took an ASE certified tech about 10 minutes to program the son of a gun. And that was probably worth about $100 right there.
It is. The programming is $100 to
Yeah.
$150.
Wait, I have a question too.
Yes, sir.
So, I know you can only replace it up to 2 times, but if you get the 3 or 5 year,
If you get the extension, they'll replace more.
okay.
Yeah. Yeah, everything I'm going to talk about is complimentary for a year, but they can extend the coverage out to 5 years. Okay? All right, good job on the key replacement. Paintless dent repair. Do we know how it works, Donovan?
Roughly, yes.
Okay, tell me like I'm a customer.
Okay. Are you trading in it?
So I'm going to get 1 year of paintless dent repair. How many dings or dents can I get fixed during that first year?
I don't know the answer to
867. I just made that up, okay? See how convincing I am? It's unlimited, but they only get 2 visits to the paintless dent repair people. Okay, unlimited number we'll fix during the first year, but only 2 visits. So what I tell my customers, hey, if you get one tomorrow, don't file a claim. Wait several months, because you're going to get more than one. Okay? You're going to only get 2 visits, but we will fix them all for you.
That makes sense.
Okay?
Y'all write that down? Write it down so you can remember.